Grammar Lesson 2 Nouns. A word that names a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. A word that names a person, place, animal or thing is called noun. Match the people with what they do. Jockey rides horses in races. Cashier receives and pays money in shops and banks. Plumber fits and mends taps and water pipes. Cobbler mends shoes. Journalist writes for magazine or a newspaper. Florist sells flowers. Barber cuts hair. Pilot flies aircraft. Tailor makes clothes. Astronomer studies stars and planets. Fill in the blanks. Now in this you have to give one word for the following questions. First one, and dash makes sketches or drawings. Illustrator. Second one, and dash goes into space. Who goes into space? Astronaut. Third one, and dash designs houses and other buildings. Who is that person? Architect. Number 4, a dash reads the news on television. Who reads the news? Newsreader. Number 5, a dash sells food and other things. What is that? Grocer. Number 6, and dash acts in films and plays. What do we call that person? Actor. Number 7, a dash helps to maintain law and order. Who is that person who helps us to maintain law and order? Policeman, or here it is mentioned policewoman. Number 8, a dash tells jokes and makes people laugh. So who is that? It is the comedian. Number 9, the dash works in library. Who works in library? Librarian. Number 10, and dash edits books, newspaper and magazine. Who is this person who reads, checks and edits? He is called the editor. Number 11, a dash sells flowers. Just now we did that. He is called the florist. Number 12, a dash cuts and sells meat. Who is that person who cuts and sells meat? He is called the butcher. Number 13, a dash receives or pays out money at the bank. We have learned this just now. He is the cashier. Number 14, a dash delivers letters and parcels. So this everybody must be knowing. He is the postman. Number 15, a dash defends the goal post. When we are playing, who defends the goal post? Goalkeeper. Collective nouns. Words that refer to a group of nouns are called collective nouns. Examples: a herd of elephants, a school of fish. Fill in the blanks. Now we have to fill in the blanks with the words given in the box, and we have to fill collective nouns. First one, a dash of books. What it is called? Library. Second, a dash of grapes. We call it bunch of grapes. Number 3, a dash of bees. What it is? Swarm of bees. Number 4, a dash of birds. We call it a flock of birds. Number 5, a dash of cows. Like elephant, for cows also we use the word herd. Number 6, a dash of wolves. When we see so many wolves, we call it a pack of wolves. Number 7, a dash of lions. When many lions are there, we will call it a pride of lions. A dash of people. We call it crowd. Number 9, a dash of flowers. What we call it? We call it bouquet. Number 10, a dash of chicks. When many chicks are there, we call it a brood. Then we come to the next exercise. Tick the correct collective nouns. A gang, pod of peas. So the correct answer is pod of peas. Second one, a troop or troop of soldiers. So the correct answer is troop. Third one, a sheaf, choir of papers. So we call it sheaf. Number 4, a class, school of fish. So we call it school of fish. Number 5, a panel, bunch of experts. We call it a panel. Number 6, a gaggle, group of geese. We call gaggle of geese. Number 7, a bunch or bundle of hay. We call a bundle of hay. Number 8, an army, a block of ants. So it is army of ants, not block of ants. Number 9, a board, a bundle of directors. We call them a board of directors. And number 10, a crew, a force of sailors. So it is always crew of sailors. Singular nouns. Nouns that refer to one person, place, animal or thing are called singular nouns. Plural nouns. Nouns that refer to more than one person, place, animal or thing are called plural nouns. In smaller classes you have studied this under the heading one and many. Now let's study the rules to make plural nouns of most singular nouns by adding s to them. Example: cousin, cousins; school, schools; bag, bags. We are just adding s to the word. Now the second rule is we add es to singular nouns ending in s, x, sh or ch to form their plurals. Like glass, we will make it glasses by adding ex. Box, boxes; dish, dishes; church, churches. Then the third rule is to form the plural of singular nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant. We change the y into ies. If the last word letter is y, then we will remove y and we will add ies. But if it is a vowel, to form a plural of a singular noun ending in y preceded by a vowel. If before the y there is a vowel a, e, I, o, u, any one of the letter, then we will simply add s. Like tray, trays; key, keys; donkey, donkeys. Now the fifth rule is to form the plural of singular noun ending in f or fe. We change the f or fe into ves. Means we will remove these letters and we will add ves. Like elf, elves; shelf, shelves; loaf, loaves. Now the sixth rule is we add es to most singular nouns ending in o to form their plurals. Like for example, mango, we will add es, mangoes; buffalo, buffaloes; zero, zeros. Now the seventh rule is some nouns do not change in plural. These are exceptional words. Example: aircraft, deer, sheep. We will not add anything, no s, no es, nothing. The plural of some nouns are formed in an irregular manner. Example: tooth, teeth; person, people; woman, women; man, men. The plural of some compound nouns are formed by adding s to the main word. Example: sister-in-law. So then it will be in the first word we are using sisters-in-law. Underline the plural nouns. First one, the men wore hats. Plural is men and hats. Second one, there are two babies in the pram. So the plural word is babies. Number 3, lilies do not grow in this pond. So the plural word is lilies. Number 4, the ladies are dressed for the party. The plural word is ladies. Number 5, there were many geese on the farm. The plural word is geese. Number 6, those boys helped the old lady. So the plural word is boys. Number 7, are kangaroos found in all countries? Plural word is kangaroos and countries. Number 8. This sports person has many fans. So the plural is fans. Write the singular or plural form of these words. Baby, babies, IES. Leaf, leaves. Monkey, monkeys. Snake, snakes. Foot, feet, double E. Mouse, mice. Judge, judges. Clock, clocks. Lion, lions. Ox, oxen, OXEN. Rose, roses. Dress, dresses, here also ES. Journey, journeys. Bush, bushes. Ferry, ferries. Way, ways. Now all of you try to attempt this exercise. Write the plurals. After writing, check the answers with me. First one, tomato, tomatoes, you will add ES. Bottle, bottles, only S. Fly, flies, IES. Fox, foxes, ES. Match, matches, ES. Reindeer, reindeer, no S or ES, nothing. Mosquito, mosquitoes, we will add ES. Brush, brushes, we will add ES. House, houses, S. Bench, benches, ES we will add. Watch, watches, ES we will add. Wolf, we will remove F and add VES. Story, we will remove Y and add IES. Son-in-law, we will add S to son, sons-in-law. Banana, bananas, we will simply add S. Toffee, toffees, we will only add S. Habit, habits, S. Calf, now here we will remove F and add VES. Man, men. Life, lives, VES, we will remove FE. Horse, horses, we will simply add S. Beach, beaches, we will add ES. Apple, apples, only S we will add. Shoe, shoes, we will add S. Now for your homework, do the exercise given on page number 25, that is R. Underline the correct plural forms and check your answers.